occupational hazard is something unpleasant you may suffer or experience in doing your job. Today's video is about people who are suffering from their occupation, mainly their profession. For example, you can say that people who work in the computer for hours will be facing a lot of joint pains, especially on your wrist, because of your using a mouse from like for 8 hours. You're continuously moving your wrist, and it is only like few inches you're moving. So we are going to like see some basic exercises which you can use your home instruments to strengthen your muscle. So I'll be like teaching the easier one, and I'll be keeping a challenge also in the last. Yeah, you can watch the mouse when you're moving. No, you will be doing only the radial side. It's like radial muscle we say. This one only this side you will be like moving. You can see the muscle here is contracted and this is extended, and we'll be like using only the index finger. You can see only this one we will be like repeatedly using. So this muscle is kind of getting tightened. So we have to like strengthen the muscle as well as stretch the muscle also. So we have to like stretch this muscle and strengthen this muscle. So mainly like your palm, spread your hand, no. So mostly this is flexion, this is extension, this is like ulnar and the radial deviations we say. So we say like this is pronation, supination. This is again a medical term, but still see our wrist has this many movements, but when you're holding the mouse for 8 hours, you're going to do this only. We are not going to turn. So only this is happening. So a lot of stress is happening here. So to avoid the injuries, we have to strengthen the muscle as well as like stretch the muscles. So you can practice that and you can have fun. Are you ready? This is Karthik, Healing Buddha. Have a healthy and a healing time. For the strengthening of the wrist, elbow and the shoulders, we are going to use the equipment like stick. If you can't find the stick, you can use the mop stick and you can remove the down one. And in the videos like I have seen is like people are given like a lot of stick workouts, but only few of them are given the wrist workout. So today I am going to like show the wrist strengthening with the stick. First we will start with the basic warm up. So everyone knows this warm up, holding the stick wider, taking it back and front. You can take it back and front slowly, be gentle and keep your hands as much as wider. So if you are keeping it closer, you cannot take it back, your shoulders may hurt. So as much as wider, then you can start the javelin throwers swing from the front, one at a time. So the reverse. Can move. Okay, now you can hold it at the back for the chest muscle. Lift it up. Okay, if you want to like rise and hold, you can do the swing for the side. Same thing in the front. You can just swing to open. And the warrior swing is just keeping the stick close to your shoulder, swing it front and back. So this again opens up your pec muscle. So we are stretching the muscle around the shoulder joints, and for the wrist, just the wrist curl, rolling, flexion, extension. You can do it the other way also. We can do a single arm, flexion, extension. This way also, or like twisting. So it's again pronation and supination movement you are doing it. So with this we are done with the warm up. Now moving on to the strengthening exercise. So strengthening exercise, you can start the wrist with the flexion. As I was saying, the holding the mouse, you want to increase the strength of this muscle because it is stretched a lot. So you can start with the middle section, you hold it and you can start taking it up. So it is more of like this movement in your shoulder level. Initially you can start with here and slowly you can go up. So again your stabilizer of the shoulder will work. So as you progress, you can hold it a little higher. So make the stick. So again you can hold it on the tip. Here comes the real challenge. You hold it straight, your shoulder level, then slowly try to like make your stick straight in this level. So lift it up and down. So I'll show you the straight angle. Bring it straight, your shoulder level. You can activate your core. Bring it here. If you're comfortable, you can take it to the side. Yeah, again here you can feel the work. So the side. Okay, now I'll be like doing it on the sideways. So again. So now you can increase the movement with the circle. So bring it straight. Again a circle. So it works on your bicep, your forearm, all your muscle group work, the reverse work. So if you're finding it difficult, you can have it the halfway. So you can do the halfway, only the half circles. So next one, the same thing, the holding the stick makes a lot of difference, a lot of impact. So for example, I'm holding it on the tip, so the weight is here. Now I'm going to change the weight downward. So you hold it, try to like lift it up. It again works on the upper muscle group. So again here, take it front and back. So you can feel my forearm muscle work when I'm doing this work. You can feel it, see the muscle, how much recruitment is happening. So again, okay, so now the real challenge starts up. So we have done so many movements. So I want you to like do lot of angles. So I will say that you can use the alphabets. You can draw the alphabets with the help of the stick. You can start with the middle in the center. I'll be comfortable to do that here. So you can start with drawing the alphabet. So first thing, keep your feet apart. Pull your stomach in, keep your body straight. So you can have start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, Q, P, W, X, Y, Z. I can feel the muscle working from the stabilizers to the forearm. The same thing you can use it on the left. So left I will be like showing only the few alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So if you want to do it with a more resistance, you can use the mop stick with the base. So with the mop sticks, you can see that like the base is having a heavier side. So you can use it if you are progression, you want a progression, or you know that like that stick is very less for your this. So you can have it this way. Same thing, you can have the movements up and down. So it goes full swing, take it up. Same movements, you can do it with that. You can see that recruitment of the muscle is more now as it is heavier. So same thing, you can start with a lot of movements. So if you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.